Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the letters to government officials and a few examples of such letters sent to government officials and the transactional methodology of this course to the students. Now, let us look at some of the letters to government officials. So these are the letters which can be written between different offices and departments of governments or any other autonomous bodies, and also to semi-government bodies. And these letters are actually official correspondence between these government institutions. And these letters also include letters written between two governments or interstate governments, that is from one state government to another state government or vice versa. And these letters can also be within two countries. And these letters are the ones which are written by the concerned authoritative officer or authority in his or her official capacity and for the use of the office. Means it is writing on behalf of the position from which the individual is in. And also these letters are different from business letters, as these are not friendly in nature and should have a direct style of addressing. It's like we see that some of the business letters are friendly in nature, but such letters like letters to government officials should have a direct style of addressing and not in a friendly way. And these letters demands special care of dignity and designation of the person or officer writing the letter. And also we should take care to whom are we writing or addressing the letter in particular. And also a letter to government official is a formal way to voice our concerns to a public officer. Like these letters are actually voices of concerns of the writer to different government institutions. Like if a person who is residing in a village wants to write a letter to the district magistrate or to any other government bodies, he or she should be clear to whom are they addressing and what is the position of the addressed person. Moving forward, it is important to present the letter in the best light possible manner. When we are writing a letter to a public figure, we have to state our concerns in brief so that the person reading it doesn't take much of their time to understand the concern addressed in the letter. And also a letter to government official can help us to be professional, especially when we are asking for a particular policy or critiquing the stance on the issues. Like we should be cautious about the choice of our words as we are dealing with higher officials and government officials. And also a letter to government official document provides the framework of the letters and leaves us the opportunity to tailor it to our needs. It's like it could also help us in showing the other person that we have sent a letter and our concerns are being sent already. If there is any situation in the future that any person asks that they didn't receive a letter, in such cases, to prove the genuinity, letters to such government officials helps us in voicing our concerns. Now, let us see a few samples of these letters to block officer and district officer. So this is a sample letter to a block level officer where the from address and to address is mentioned clearly, where this letter is addressed to the subdivisional engineer of public health subdivision, which is in Rajpur Rani in the district of Panchkula, and it is written from and or sent from the principal secretary to government of Haryana under the development and panchayatis department of Haryana and Chandigarh. So, and also the date is mentioned, which is very important, and the subject of which the matter in the letter is concerned, and this subject is important so that we can have a gist of what is written or present in the body of the letter. And also we at the end we can see a few documents which are enclosed, so that we should see that the letter is incomplete with these enclosed documents. It is in terms incomplete if we don't find enclosed documents, but this letter is complete if we find these enclosed documents. And at the end there should be a signature and the position of the person or the writer, so that in order to prove the genuinity of the letter. Now next, let's see, this is a letter to the district level officer, for example to a district collector, where it's the identification of villages under the UBA program. So it is related to the identification of the villages under the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan program, and as we are addressing to the district collector, and we have kept the matter in the letter crisp and short, and at the end we should also take in mind all the points to be included in drafting a business letter and all the key elements which are used in a standard business letter. Now let's see what is the transaction methodology of this unit. The students can be asked to draft a letter to various officials on a given situation. This play or a role play helps us in knowing how to draft a business letter to different officials. And after drafting the letters, these drafted letters can be displayed in the entire class and be discussed among the students, so that they can correct from each other, and also they can enhance their writing skills and drafting skills. As we already said, that the above ways of exercises will develop seriousness amongst the students and will encourage them to participate actively in all exercises. Like engaging the students in a classroom is the key to have a better transaction methodology. Hope these topics are clear, and this is the end of the unit 2, which is letter writing or business letter writing with the focus of a village in the course of business communication. Hope this is clear. This is clear as I discussed all the elements in drafting a business letter and all the points to be kept in mind while writing a business letter, and what are the different needs of a business letter, also what are the different functions of a business letter. Hope all these topics have made you clear on letter writing. Till then, take care. Goodbye.